everyone, Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus the Realme X7 Pro device. Yes friends, this is another type of speed test where we'll be testing the Dimensity 1200 versus the Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset. Let's see friends which phone is kind of really powerful in terms of the app opening and keeping the applications in the memory as well. So these are the total 20 applications, 15 applications plus 5 games I have included, as you can see friends, and this is the test which I'm trying to do without any game space added into the games. The reason is because if I try to add the games into the game space, they will delete the background applications. So that thing we don't want, but let's see which phone will be having the better kind of RAM management. That is what I'm going to check in this video. So first thing, let me show you exactly what kind of models the both phones are using and what kind of RAM variants as well. So here's a quick information about the both models, Realme X7 Pro and the Realme X7 Max. Both are 8GB RAM variants only, as you can see, Realme UI 2.0. You can see the Dimensity process as well. And during this process of demonstration, I'm trying to connect to the same Wi-Fi network. So same Wi-Fi network TP-Link 2.4 is connected, as you can clearly see friends. So both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and let me try to clear all the background applications. So all the background applications are completely clean in both phones, as you can clearly see. So both are clean. So now let me try to do the first thing, which is a reboot speed test. So let's start the speed test by doing the restart first. Let's see which phone will be able to restart faster. That is another thing which I want to check it. And this is the Realme X7 Pro one. So it's really confusing to show you because both phones deliver the really kind of same kind of punch hole front side. That's the kind of really confusing to show, I can definitely say. And the first phone to start is the Realme X7 Pro device. So this is the Realme X7 Pro which started first, as you can see. And then the Realme X7 Max phone started. So you can see the difference, the animation. Now we are getting booted up first. Let's see, but which phone will be the winner? And right now both phones are starting with the logo, and first to boot up is the Realme X7 Pro. This is a Realme X7 Pro is a clear winner in terms of the booting. Let me try to keep the both phones right now. Let me try to unlock the password first. And let me try to open the 15 apps and 5 games, the folder. So these are the 15 applications and 5 games which I am going to open right now. And no applications are completely open in the background. Let me try to completely clear. As you can see, all the background applications are completely clean in both phones. That's perfect. So let's get started. So now we should be able to see the difference which phone will be opening faster, and both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. As you can see friends, 2.4 gigahertz, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now let's get started with the phone. So first let's start with the Google Chrome application. Let's see, this is a Max and this is a Pro model. That's the one thing which you should know. So right now the Max did open faster, as you can see friends clearly. And next is a WhatsApp, perfect, no problem. And Instagram, Max did open faster. You can see the display screen size as well. In case if you are confused, the display screen size is slightly smaller on the Realme X7 Max. So slightly kind of delay in the Realme X7 Pro device, not much. Next is Amazon application. Let's see Amazon. So both phones are kind of, I think Max did open first. Let me try to clip the background as a mobile phones. Let's see. I'll try to clip the background as a mobile phone. So next is a YouTube. YouTube, I think both phones are kind of close to each other, nothing much difference. Let me try to keep my channel open in the background. And next is the speed test. Let's see the speed test. As you can see, both phones are slightly close to each other, nothing much difference. And next is a Candy Crush. So I did include the games and applications together. In this way you'll be able to get to know friends what are the results. Sorry, let me to open at the same time. Calculator, I'm typing right now and I'm trying to keep in the background. Next is the Facebook application. Slightly, little bit kind of slow in the Pro device. Just a little bit is difference friends, or not, you cannot expect maybe 10 to 15 seconds, but only few seconds of delay. So Dimensity 1200 is opening faster than the Dimensity 1000 Plus. So in this game you can definitely say the Dimensity 1000 Plus is a little bit kind of struggling to open this game. Next is the Ghana. So overall in terms of the speed test, one thing is clear that the Realme X7 Max will definitely be the faster in terms of the applications opening. So that is the reason. In terms of the performance wise, try to choose the Realme X7 Max device. So not the Pro version. It doesn't make any kind of sense choosing the Pro version, because you do have the Max which is of having really good Dimensity 1200 plus chipset. That's another thing. We're going to go back and next is a game, Hill Climb Racing. Let's see this game which phone can open actually faster. I think Both phones are kind of close. If I agree to this one, then it should be kind of good. So both phones are kind of close only, no issues. Flipkart. So first it got loaded in the Realme X7 Max device. Let's keep the phones in the background and next go to the Play Store. Let's see the Play Store. So Play Store also first it got loaded in the Realme X7 Max. That's good, not bad. I'm trying to keep this game in the background. Next is Prime Videos. Let's see Prime Videos, which phone will be able to open faster. I think Prime Videos kind of both are kind of same, nothing much difference. And Subway Surf. And slightly taking some time in the Pro version. As you can see, the Max version is already showed everything. As you can see, friends, that's perfect. So overall in the speed test, in terms of the applications opening speeds, we did find out the Max is really the winner in terms of the applications opening. So now let's see, all these 15 applications and 5 games are completely open in the background. You can clearly see, friends, from the starting to the end. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm trying to open all the applications in the reverse order. Let's see which phone will be storing how many kind of applications and games. So Zoom application will definitely be there, and Subway Surf also will be there in both phones, no problem. Prime also is there in both phones. Play Store also there in both phones. Flipkart, perfect. Till here, no issues, friends, as you can observe clearly. Next is Ilkram Racing, perfect. RAM management, yes. Paytm also, both phones are kind of same. And Myntra did not get reloaded. Ghana, yep. This game. So right now you can see the Realme X7 Max did not load the game. It's automatically showed the game. But in the Realme X7 Pro, the game got reloaded. As you can see, these are difference. You can clearly see, friends, the Pro model. And next is the Facebook and calculator. It's kind of really faster in terms of the loading. Let's see this game, Candy Crush. As you can see, the Candy Crush also did not get reloaded in the Realme X7 Max. So in terms of the speed test and RAM management, so in the multitasking as well, the Realme X7 Max can do better than the X7 Pro. So this is a live example, friends, where you can see actually the difference. So this one got first loaded. Next is the YouTube. I kept my channel page open, if you remember. I kept my channel, as you can see, it's perfectly right now same. And next is Amazon. Amazon also, I did keep this mobile phones. If you remember, I did keep the mobile phones and it's exactly same. But in the X7 Pro, it loaded from the beginning. So next is this game, and this game both phones did not get loaded. That's okay. And Instagram also first in the Realme X7 Max. WhatsApp also first in the Realme X7 Max. And this one also, both phones again got a little bit kind of loaded. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both phones overall in 2 tests. The speed test and the multitasking and the RAM management test. The Realme X7 Max is a clear winner. The X7 Pro is only the winner in terms of the reboot test. That is the only one area where the X7 Pro is a clear winner. So this is a quick comparison, friends, and thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description for more updates. In case if you have any other queries regarding the smartphone, don't forget to check the playlist which I have created for each and every device. That will be really helpful. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until stay tuned for more videos. Bye.